How to send messages on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to send messages on TikTok. So let's get started. You will open up your TikTok profile and this is where you will get. And in order to send messages, you will find the message option right here at the bottom of your screen. You can see with profile we have inbox. Simply go to your inbox and it will show you different messages that you have actually sent. And then you have to click on this create option, which is at the top right corner. Once you click on it, now you can select one of the users, whoever you want to send the message to. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe select this one right here. And now we can write our message, for example, hi, and then we can just send it. Click on this send icon and you can see the message will be sent. I can go back and maybe send this to someone else. We can also add emojis and send the message. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.